Pero wait lang. Alam mo kasi, balita ko,
Yes.
may entrance fee daw dito. Nagbayad na ba
ito
ng
na.
entrance fee tong si Anthony?
Di ba ba? Di ba?
Teka, Jason, pakitaan mo nga yung sinasabing entrance fee na yan.
Show them.
Anthony, it's English so very hard for you. Can you take away your person here? Take away. Okay, I will teach you how to greet the tiktropa, okay? Okay, come here in the middle. This is requested by Direct Louie. Okay, I will teach you. Me first.
You go.
Tiktropa! Mag-ingay! I will count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. It's your turn. Ay, tomorrow evening I have a hideout. Okay? Mag-ingay! Okay, dyan lang kayo! I will count. Okay, I will count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
Yung mga tiktropa natin, parang anak nyo na yan.
Tuwa-tuwa sila. Ang saya-saya nila.
Okay na. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay.
Parang gusto ko lang bilang.
Uy, may asawa ka na.